So today on the Fixit Shed, we're going to check out this Earthwise 15 amp chipper shredder. So this is not a sponsored video. I bought this myself. I wanted to check it out and share it with you guys. So let's open it up, see what's in the box. Got the plunger. Okay, the hopper for the top of it. This is the 10-gallon bin that goes on the bottom. Maybe I opened this up upside down. Nah, I think this is probably the right side up. Those are the wheels. All right, so we want to attach the legs. I'm going to lay this on the front, and I'm going to grab a leg. So, and we're going to put this on. We can take this out. Okay. So, and we do have a kit with tools and screws to put the legs on. All right, I'm just going to get those in loosely first, and then we're going to get the wheels on and the axle here. Now we can go ahead and tighten everything up. And we need to tighten up the axle nuts. And we can put the hubcaps on. So for the hopper, let's see, it's going to go this way. Just going to fit all the tabs into the slots. There we go. Now, so now all the tabs are in the slots, and so now you want to place the hopper on top, and you can fasten, put the clips on both sides, and we're ready to go. Alright, so the controls are fairly simple. You have an on button, an off button, and in the event that you had a jam and it tripped the circuit breaker, this is the circuit breaker reset button right here. Alright, so now for an extension cord, it says that you don't want to use anything longer than 25 feet, and it should be 12 gauge or better. So if you don't know the size of your extension cord, you can actually, it's printed in the insulation on the wiring. It should tell you if it says 12/3, that's a 12 gauge. If it says 10/3, that's a 10 gauge wire. If it says 14-3, that would be a 14 gauge, and that would be too small. Alright, so I do have some various size sticks to try out. So from maybe about 1/4 or 1/2 an inch. So up to probably 1.5 inches. All right. Ugh. That did a nice job chewing that up. Some bigger flakes, but for the most part, it's a nice size mulch. All right, so overall, I thought this Earthwise Chipper Shredder did a decent job. It does a nice job of pulling the branches through. It was able to handle some of the bigger branches that I put in. The last one that I put in was just about the same size as the hole, so it was probably real close to 1 3/4 inches. It did get bunched up once, but I was able to just pull it back and get it and refeed it, and it took it through. As far as sound, I don't think it's overly loud. It's maybe like a loud vacuum cleaner, maybe like a shop vac. So you definitely do want to be wearing ear and eye protection while you're using this. When it's pulling the branches in, the little branches can whip around a little bit, and you don't want to take one of those in the eye. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the unit. I hope it lasts a long time and I get years and years of use out of it. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help out the channel, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.